To link Klarna Pay in 4. Start by downloading the Klarna app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and tap on the profile icon. Then select Payment Methods and add a new payment method. You will be prompted to enter your debit or credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Next, review and agree to Klarna's terms and conditions. Then verify your account by following the in-app instructions. This may include receiving a verification code via SMS or email. After verifying your account, you can add Klarna Pay in 4 as a payment method on participating merchants' websites or in their apps. When checking out, select Klarna as your payment method and choose Pay in 4. You will then be redirected to the Klarna website to complete the payment. Review your order and payment schedule. Then confirm the payment. Klarna will automatically split the payment into 4 equal installments, due every 2 weeks. As a best practice, make sure to review the payment schedule and terms before confirming the payment. Additionally, ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover each installment. By following these steps and tips, you can easily link Klarna Pay in 4 and start using this convenient payment method for your online purchases. It is also important to note that Klarna Pay in 4 is a payment method that allows you to split your purchases into 4 equal payments, with no interest or fees when paid on time. However, late payments may incur fees, so it is essential to make timely payments to avoid any additional charges. By understanding how Klarna Pay in 4 works and using it responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of flexible payments and take control of your finances.